Hi, my name is Tisha. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch this video. I spoke to one of your associates, just advised I was going to be providing a custom video in regards to your website and how you can increase online presence and bring in more business. So I found the website while doing research on plumbers in your area. So we'll go ahead and discuss content, citations, and backlinks, and we'll just discuss on some ways to bring in more business. So first, content is anything that can be found throughout the website. So these are any words or phrases, pictures, how the pictures are saved, videos. So anything that can be found within the website is considered content. Now, I do recommend having a minimum of 1,500 words for your website. By having the most content, you will be able to implement keywords. Now, keywords are very important. We'll take a look and see how many keywords you're utilizing, but it's very important because when people are Googling certain services or types of businesses, then this is how you're going to have people find your actual website and your company. So that's going to be really important. The next would be citations. Now, citations are anywhere on throughout the web that your business can be found. So this can be through Angie's List. This can be through Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, Facebook. So anywhere your business can be found. Now, here, when you Google plumbers in Oakley, California, it brings you to the map pack. Now, the map pack was really important because, again, when someone is going to be Googling from a plumber in your area, these are the first businesses they'll see. And oftentimes they will go directly to the website or call the business from here. So the goal is to have you within this map pack. The next would be organic or excuse me, an organic search. So the first here would be Yelp, and then Home Advisor. The first business that we come to would be roto. Then we have Better Business Bureau. Then we have Absolute Plumbing and Drain. So roto and this business here would be your top competition. So we'll take a look and see how their website is doing. Now we will be using a tool today called Ahrefs. It will show exactly how your website is doing. Also look at your competitors as well. So I'm showing here that you have two backlinks. Now backlinks are links that are again found on the web that lead people back to your website or generate traffic. Now, the more backlinks you have, the more traffic you will have as well. Not all backlinks are made equal. A backlink coming from a restaurant, for example, versus a hardware store may bring in different types of traffic or the amount of traffic that you're bringing in. The next would be organic keywords. So I'm showing that you're utilizing 9 keywords and not showing a ranking here for how many you're bringing to your website, and then not showing here how much revenue this is bringing in for you as well. So could be because the website is new or just hasn't began ranking just yet. And of your organic keywords, these are the keywords that are bringing people over to your website. Now let's take a look at roto. So they have over 871,000 backlinks. They're utilizing over 96,000 keywords, bringing in about 219,000 people to their website on a monthly basis, and their revenue is about 3.6 million. Now they are a franchise company, so they have several locations. So this could be why they have so much traffic and so many keywords. However, just remember this is your competition. So it'll be important to look at the type of keywords that they're using and use those same keywords, implement them within your website, and then that will increase your business as well. So these are some of their keywords that they're using. Some of these are, of course, their company name, but some of these are people are, looking for drain cleaning, things of that nature. So again, these are words that you can also be list within your website as well. The next would be Absolute Plumbing and Drain. So they have over 1,000 backlinks. They're using about 1.4 thousand keywords, and 641 people come into their website around that on a monthly basis, and bringing in over $7,000 in revenue because of that traffic. And then if we take a look at their keywords, these are some of the keywords that they're using. Again, these are some things that you can implement within your website to bring more people over. Okay. So I hope that you have enjoyed some of these tips that I have showed you today, and you're welcome to implement these on your own, again, to increase your online presence. If you would like to discuss some of these tips, though, in further detail, I'd be happy to do so. My contact phone number is 916-378-9773. Either way, I would love to hear back from you, just to get feedback on the video. Thank you again for taking out time to watch this video, and you have a good day.